Okay, Ken back again, and today I'm literally going to walk you through in detail a flip that we just finished. So we bought this property at 23 Crough Street back in March. We started our renovations in April. It took us 4 months to do it. Now it's listed. The big reason I want to take you through this house is to show you the standard you should create if you want a flip to do well when you're selling it. All right, let me just jump around here and I'll just give you a good feel for the outside of the property. So this house is a starter home for a family, and it's located in a really great neighborhood. It's about, I want to say, a 3-minute walk from a major public school. It's about a 5-minute walk from a grocery store, and it's on bus routes, and it's in a suburb of Toronto. So it's a really great property. Now, our renovation started right out here at the curb. When we got this property, the driveway was only as wide as the garage. So we made it wider. We did encroach on the sidewalk, but for good reason. Now you can fit 2 cars beside each other, and we even angled the driveway in a little bit to do that. So that's where it starts. Redid all the landscaping out front, made it very simple and contemporary. But check this out. When people come into this house, you've got to blow them away by it. So look at the first glance when you see the inside of this place. So you can see beautiful glass railings. Now this is professionally staged in here, which it should be. You see an amazing powder room right in the door. These glass railings are just stunning when you come into a place. It's unbelievable. When you walk into the house, you see a beautiful kitchen. You have to think, like, where is it that most people are going to be staying and spending most of their time? It's in the kitchen area. We even put the overhang in the counter so that, you know, they could even have stools here and you could serve the kids breakfast from the other side of this property. It's just beautiful that the way it's set up. And it's inviting, right? If you look at the size of this kitchen and dining area, let's just go over here so we can see it. You can see there's lots of room. Lots of room in here for people to really spend time in the kitchen, to have gatherings in the kitchen, older kids and their parents, the whole 9 yards. It just fits perfectly. Brand new appliances, by the way, in the kitchen that we got. I did another video on YouTube where you can see that. It's just beautiful. I'm gonna take you upstairs first so you can see. Again, if you're into house flipping, then I'm showing you this so you can get a really good feel for the standard. Look at these beautiful glass railings. They are incredibly sturdy, but handrails as well. And we go up the house, up the stairs, just really, really gorgeous. 3 bedrooms upstairs. Beautiful size bedrooms, really nice size. And everything is set up here properly. Good sized closets in the bedrooms. And then the master suite. It's a very, very nice size master suite. There's a nice bed in here. Great walk-in closet. And then the master bathroom, which is just lovely. Now, if you look at this flip, and this is something standard we do in all of our properties, engineered hardwood floors throughout the whole property is essential because it just brings that consistency to everything that we're doing. We did everything we possibly could to this place. Put a new air conditioning system in, we put a new heating system in. If we take a look here, we have a car charger in the garage. Got some cleanup to do in the garage still. And the next thing I'm going to show you is the basement. So same thing, handrail to go down to the basement. I love these glass railings. They were about $8,000 to put in, but I think they made all the difference in the world. So if we go down to the basement now, here we go. Same engineered hardwood in the basement. It's just an extra space. And they have it set up just like as a little fun area there now. And then look, we put another full bathroom in the basement. So now this house has 3.5 bathrooms, which is amazing. And now why that bathroom is important there is because when we go out to the deck in the back here, look at this big entertainment area out on this deck. It's just gorgeous. Centerpiece is a beautiful cedar hot tub from Canadian Hot Tubs. You can see, it's just fantastic. And one of the things I liked about this property and why we picked it up was it backs onto a ravine. So there is a gate behind there. It's a nice little backyard. It's not a massive backyard, but it's well appointed, which I think is an amazing piece of this. So we won't definitively know what our profits are until it actually sells, but I'll give you a little overview of it. So this is the laundry, washer, dryer, sink, nice and clean. And then there's the new furnace that we put in. So we bought this house from a wholesaler for about 550 grand, I think it was. And then we ended up putting about, I want to say 180,000 into it. We gutted this place, took it right back to the walls. And there's other videos on my channel where you can see that, how hard we gutted it, how much work we did to the place. But it worked out perfectly. We have it listed really aggressively at 824,000. And in this market we're in right now, we're expecting that we're going to see a lot of interest in this, and we're hoping that it sells for somewhere around 900,000, which is what our ideal selling point is in this property. It's just amazing. So look, the reality is this. If you're trying to make more money in your life, there's many ways to do it. There's many ways to make more money in life. You can start a business, you can do whatever you want. But real estate investing, for me, when I look back, I wish I would have gotten involved in real estate investing. Well, I got involved in real estate investing when I was 30, but I wish I would have gone full time with it when I was 30. But it's just amazing. It really is. This year, we're gonna do 6 flips in our business, and we average $100,000 to $150,000 in income per flip. So if we do 6 of them, we're talking about $900,000 in income. It covers all of our expenses, covers all of our overhead, even all of our salaries, and makes it easy for us to focus on our resorts because we have enough money coming in to cover payroll. Our resorts are gonna obviously be big money makers when we open them in a couple years from now, but in the present time, they just suck money, right? They cost millions of dollars to get open. And so we had to figure out a way that we could run our business profitably and cover our expenses while we're scaling. And I have a great construction team that does all the work, that did all the work here at this property. And this is what we end up with. Some people will say to me that you can't make money in flips. It's too dangerous. The market is too screwed up. But understand this, people are always going to be looking for a place to live. If you're going to do flips like I do it, and you're going to be profitable doing the flips, then my biggest piece of advice to you is look for properties with the sale in mind, with the end in mind. So the reason we chose this property is because it was perfect for a young family. It's walking distance to a public school. It's walking distance to a grocery store. It's walking distance to drug stores and gas stations and all the amenities that a young family is going to need. And then the price point, it's under $1 million, which in the GTA is a good deal. So think about the types of things that the potential buyers of your house are going to be looking for outside of the house. You've got to make the house stunning. You've got to do quartz countertops, the backsplashes that complement it, the stainless appliances, the glass railings, the hot tub in the backyard, the EV charger in the garage, beautiful, stunning front entryway. You've got to do all that stuff. But if you couple that with where the property is located to create a convenient life for the family that's going to buy it, you'll knock it out of the ballpark. So I'll come back and do another quick video for you when we sell it, because that's when the dollars and cents will be told. But the reality is if we sell it for $900,000, we're gonna make about $180,000 in profit. And that's after all the contractors are paid, the real estate fees are paid, everything is paid. So why not get into flipping houses? I'll put a link in the show's notes here for a really extended video that if you wanna watch it, if you're interested in getting into real estate investing, watch this video. It will tell you basically the 4 major things that you have to learn: finding the right undervalued properties, acquiring the properties with other people's money, renovating to increase value, and exiting. And then if you're interested in joining our Investors Growth Syndicate mastermind group, there's a link there where you can learn more about that as well. We'll see you soon.